Alright, so you've heard the buzz about Bitcoin mining and you want to know how you can actually get started, right? I'll walk you through it step by step, breaking down the basics, the gear you'll need, and what to expect along the way. First up, what is mining really? Think of Bitcoin mining as the process that keeps the entire Bitcoin network running. You use special computers to solve math problems, and when you solve one, you get rewarded with a little bit of Bitcoin, so it's kind of like a lottery, but instead of luck, it's all about computing power. So how do you get in on the action? Step 1 is hardware. Forget about mining on your laptop, it just won't cut it. What you need is an ASIC miner. These are purpose-built machines designed just to mine Bitcoin, and they're way more efficient than regular computers. Some popular models you'll see out there are the Antminer S19 or WhatsMiner M30S. Next up is power. Mining uses a lot of electricity, so check your local rates. High power bills can eat up any profits you make, so make sure to do the math before you jump in. Now let's talk setup. Once you have your miner, you'll need a place for it to run. They can get loud and hot, so a well-ventilated space like a garage or shed is ideal. Plug in your miner, connect it to your internet, and you're halfway there. After that, you'll need to join a mining pool. Mining solo is super hard these days, so most people team up in pools. A mining pool is just a group of miners who combine their power and share the rewards. Just pick a reputable pool, sign up, and enter your pool info into your miner's settings. Don't forget a digital wallet. This is where your Bitcoin rewards will go. You can set up a wallet online, or use a hardware wallet for extra safety. And that's it. Once your miner is set up and running, you'll start seeing Bitcoin trickle into your wallet, depending on your power and how lucky your pool gets. But a quick heads up, mining isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The rewards are smaller than they used to be, and there are real costs like electricity and hardware. So, do your research, crunch the numbers, and make sure it makes sense for you. Alright, that's the basics of starting out with Bitcoin mining. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and let me know if you want more beginner crypto tips. Thanks for watching.